Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Farms. Hey, listen, I realized the other night when I was doing a live show here on the channel that apparently there's something about me that a lot of you, the majority of the nearly 70,000 subscribers here on the channel, didn't realize. And that is that I have a second channel. Yeah, I was really surprised. I thought I had made an announcement back about a year and a half ago, maybe a little less than that, when I started the second channel, but apparently hardly anyone noticed. Well, I have a second channel and it's pretty awesome. I hope you'll go ahead over there and check it out. It's called Farpoint Farms Restorations and Repairs. I'll put a link to it right here and another link in the description below. But I've been uploading 2 videos a week on average over on that channel for the past 14 months, I think it's been. So if you're a fan of my work, if you're a fan of Farpoint Farms, well, all I did was split off some of the work that I do here. I decided to put my automotive work and some of my other hobbies, automotive related, like mini bikes, go-karts, things like that, over on that second channel. So I put 2 videos a week up there. We do product reviews, we do how-to videos, we do reviews, we do all kinds of cool stuff over there as well, tool reviews and stuff like that. But I was just shocked to find out that hardly anyone knew. So I had 1,200 people show up to the live stream that I did last weekend, and 80 or 90 of them immediately popped over and signed up to it, and hopefully they're enjoying the content. So yeah, I want you to check it out. If you have the time, head on over to Farpoint Farms Restorations and Repairs and give it a like and subscribe, and maybe hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when new videos get posted. That'll do it for today, my friends. Take care.